How can you feel totally safe? Definitely with Perenio. Indoor Fixed Camera looks perfect in the interior. You can use a mobile application anywhere in the world to observe what is happening at home or in the office in real time. The transmitted image has a high resolution during the day and at night. A built-in speaker allows you to watch the video with sound. If required, you can mute the speaker. Install the Perenio Smart mobile application, register a new user account, enter your name, password, and your country of residence. Then wait for a confirmation email. To switch on the Indoor Fixed Camera, plug it into the main socket using the power adapter. Log into your account, scan the QR code attached to the back page of the Quick Start Guide, and connect to your Wi-Fi network. Set the device name, mount the camera at a suitable place. Enjoy a high-quality image on the screen of your smartphone. Your home is safe as a fortress with Perenio.